Good evening, everyone. This is the session 8 from the playlist of current electricity, and the topic for this session is Kirchhoff's law. So, here I will be discussing about the two laws which was proposed by Kirchhoff. The first one is the loop rule. So, as per this rule, the algebraic sum of the potential of all the potential difference in a closed loop due to the associated EMF sources and the resistive elements is equal to 0. So this is the first law, and this is how it is written in this form, that is the summation, the algebraic sum of all the potential difference, delta V is the potential difference across all the associated EMF sources and the resistive element. So the algebraic sum of all the potential difference in a closed loop due to the associated EMF sources and the resistive element is equal to 0. And the second rule is the junction rule. According to this rule, the algebraic sum of all the currents at a junction in a circuit is 0. Or in other words, we can say that the sum of the incoming currents at a particular junction in a circuit should be equal to the sum of the outgoing currents from that junction. So these are the two important rules, and these two rules will be very helpful for us in order to solve some of the complicated these electrical circuits in which you will be finding a number of EMF sources and a number of the resistors which are connected in different combinations. So we will be taking up those sort of questions in the next session. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.